This little video is about the phoneme Carpentry Rule, and it's to speak this phoneme in my native accent, American English. You can pause and read these information here, and I will get to the phonemes and the story here. Here it is in regular spelling, and here are the phonemes in true spell phonetics, which I will read. The carpenter's helpful rule of thumb is measure twice and cut once. Thus, making assurance checks before you start out is primary. No one enjoys sawing boards twice. Indeed, twice the work. And here we have the 23 consonants and 17 vowels broken down. Pause to check them out. Most common ones are listed here. The doubles for stress indicator other than the first syllable are down here, and your vowels, here's the most popular vowels for this pan phone. And here we have some analysis. We have 40 vowels, 74 consonants, interestingly 4.2 phonemes per word. And a little bit more data. We have 35% are vowels and 74% are consonants, and we have 40 vowels, which indicates the number of syllables, the same syllables as vowels. And so I hope this will help learners of English to get American English native pronunciation using true spell.